Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print from laptop to printer. Okay, so the printer I'm using is Canon printer MG3650. This printer is multifunctional printer. I can print, copy and scan with this printer. Okay, so to print from your laptop, what you need to do is go to File Explorer, select on it. When you select a File Explorer, depending on where you save the document, okay, my document is saved, okay, on the document file. So select document file. When you select document file, then you need to scroll down to select the specific document you want to print. Okay, so scroll down to select the document. Okay, and this is the document I want to print. Select on it. Okay, you can double click it. Okay, it will open. Then you need to scroll down and check the document you want to print is the correct one. If you are happy with it, okay, the next thing to do is to print out this document. I also want to mention, before you do this, you need to make sure your laptop and your printer both are connected to the same network, okay, for you to be able to print. Now, the next thing to do, once you open up the file you want to print, you need to go on top. You will see printer image. You will also see save image. So select printer image, go on top, select printer image. When you select the printer image, then you need to look on your left side. You will see printer print will pop up for you to select the correct printer. Select so many other things. So first of all, we need to select the correct printer. My printer is Canon printer MG, so we need to scroll down to look for the printer, and this is the printer Canon MG 3600 series. Select on it. So when you select on it, the next thing to do is you need to select copies. How many copies of the document you want to print out, like how many copies of this. If you want to, so you need to put your, so you can type how many copies, like 30 or 20, depending on how many copies you want. So you can use up and down arrow to select the number. Okay, so you can use up and down arrow, up to increase it, down to decrease. Now once you done the copies, the next is pages. So if you want to print all the pages, then you need to select all. If you want to print odd page only, odd pages like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, odd pages. If you want to print even pages, then you select even pages. Even pages are like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and etc. Now if you want to print, maybe if you have so many documents, okay, maybe document like with number 1 to 20 pages, and you want to print only specific page, maybe from 1 to 10 or 1 to 8, so you can select this, okay, the bottom ones to select on it. Then you type the pages you want to print 1 to 10. Okay, so you type 1 slash, okay, which is, then put the number for you to be able to print the the page range you want to print. Then after that, the next is for you to select the color. Okay, so if you scroll down, you will see color on top of the color. Then you from the side, okay, scroll down to select black and white or color. Okay, so we select black and white. Then the next is print on both sides. Then you scroll down again to select whether you want to print on one side or print on both sides, or print on both side, flip long or short flip. So we want to print this on both side, flip long. Okay, then the next thing is you can see more setting. If you select more setting, you scroll down again, it will for you to select paper size. So if you want to print A4, A5, B5 photo paper, then you need to select the size of paper you want to print. This paper we have here is A4, so we select A4. Okay, and the actual size is 100 A4. Page per sheet is 1 page per sheet. And once you've done that, then you select print. So now this document is going to print out from this printer, and here we go, it's getting ready. Now it's going to go back inside in order to print the second page. Remember, we selected print on both sides. So printing on both sides will save you paper. So the good job about this printer is the printer is able to do this automatically. Some printer you need to will print the first one and ask you to turn the other side to print. So but we just need to wait for this. Okay, this is the document we printed out on both sides. We printed this document black and white and on both sides. Now another way, so you need to go to the software, Canon software, which is Canon Image Garden. Open up my Image Garden. So open my Image Garden. Now this is the Image Garden. So we wait for the file to be ready. Okay, and to print a document you need to select print the document you want to print out. Okay, when you go to on top of the file, select file. When you select file, then select print. When you select print, it will give you option for you to select the correct printer. So we need to look for this printer from here, scroll down to add the printer, and this printer is MG 3600 series. Okay, so scroll down and look for MG 3600 series. Is here. Select on it. Okay, and select, then you select the paper size, and also media type is plain paper. Okay, and the next thing to do is select print. You can also select print range setting or advanced setting. Select advanced setting. If you select advanced setting, for you to select the quality, standard, high standard, or draft, custom. Okay, then once you've done that, select print. Now this document is going to print out. Okay, this is the document we printed out from the using Canon Image Garden. I received this question. Someone wants to know how to print document from laptop or computer to HP printer. There are two ways to do this. To print document from your computer to HP printer, what you need to do is you need to make sure your computer and the printer both are connected to the same network. And when both are connected to the same network, what you need to do is you need to go to the file. So go to your file, and now the next thing to do is you go to the document, open the document up. Now this is the document we want to print out. Okay, for instance, now on top of it, okay, on top you will see printer image. You will see print or save. So select print. When you select print, then you need to, from the printer on top, you need to select the correct printer. This printer is HP printer. So we need to scroll down from the list and look for HP DeskJet 2700 series. Okay, so what we are looking for is HP DeskJet 2700 series. So okay, and it will tell you the printer is ready. Here it is ready. HP DeskJet 2700 series is ready. Now the next thing to do is you need to select how many copies of document you want, and also select the layout. You can have it landscape. This is landscape, and this is portrait. Now the next is for you to select how many copies you want to print out you can select all or odd page only. Odd page is for you to print page 1, page 3. Then even page is for you to print page 2, page 4, page 6. Okay, you can also select the color. Now the color, you can select black and white or color, so you select color for it. For instance, now another option is print on both sides. Okay, so with this printer now, it's showing us from, okay, showing us print on both sides. I'm not sure whether you're able to print from the both sides, but we want to try it to see if we can able to print on both sides. Okay, print on both sides and select print. Okay, and once it's telling us the first set of documents is printing. When printing is complete, reinsert the printed page into the tray as shown. Okay, so now what we need to do is you need to take this end, okay, and put it back inside for you to print double-sided with it. Okay, and the next thing to do is select, once you're ready, select continue. So now this document is, you can see, is going to print the other side. So some printers will give you option for you, they will do this automatically. They will print the first one and go back inside to print the second one. But in this case, you do it manually. Here we go. So you can see the document we printed out. This is the first one and second one. So we printed out double-sided. Another way to print a document from this print from your computer, okay, to HP printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. Okay, this printer is connected to HP Smart App. So I'm going to type HP Smart App. Okay, this is HP Smart App. Click it. Okay, and this HP Smart App. So now, so go to print document, click OK, and scroll down to the file for the document you want to. So what I'm doing now is looking for the document you want to print out. Okay, you can select any particular document, this image. Okay, and this is the document, this is the first and second one. Okay, the other thing you need to do is you need to make sure you select the correct printer. Okay, select the correct printer and select print. So you can also select the portrait. Okay, and also select the correct paper, A4 paper, and paper type is plain paper, output is normal, how many copies. Okay, and also this one is print on one side instead of printing on both sides, and printing all pages as well. You can select more option. If you select more option, it will ask you to select the color orientation. Okay, select the color, click OK, or quality, and once you've done that, select print. Now this document is printing. Okay, so this is the document we printed out. Okay, so from computer. to HP printer. So these are ways to do this, okay, by selecting the file, or you select print document from HP Smart app on your computer. You can also go to the file and select print, select the document you want to print and look for available printer. In this case, HP DeskJet. Select the printer and send the job to the printer to print it out, okay? And also you are able to print double-sided, whereby you print the double-sided and turn it the other way around and print the second one. Some printer, like I mentioned earlier, some printer will allow you double-sided printing. They will turn it, when they print one side, they will go back inside and turn the other side. But in this case, you have to do it by yourself. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.